into our day on 428. You guys are going to be working on your memoir assessment. Remember, this week and next week are the only days you're going to be working on these, and we are going to be turning them in next week into Schoology. So we need time to do that. So you only have a certain amount of time, so you need to work, get those things done. So what we're going to be doing today is you want to make sure you're in the memoir assessment area of Schoology. We go to STEM 6. Go to Unit 3 Robotics and click on the memoir assessment. Again, you should have this in Schoology, as well as you should have this in your Google Doc. We already made a copy of it last week. But what we're doing with this is you should be finished with the story at this point. And you should be finished or in the process of finishing up your brainstorm. And then we'll have a nice little example here for you. You can edit the file by clicking on the toolbox, and then you could add lines and arrows as to where it goes. For this one, my example, I drew straight line. I wanted it to turn straight, turn, straight, turn, and so I'm showing step by step what I believe my rover is going to do. And I use that using either the geometry block in our PDF editor, or I can use the straight line here to show this. What you're going to do then is you're going to make your first code, and you're going to, it must use a minimum, the smallest amount of 4 blocks of code. Alright, so what I mean by that is I can use multiple pieces, blocks of the same code, and that's okay. I should see 4 blocks of code right after that play button. This one uses a lot more, but as you can see, I have some audio. I have the move steering block. I have a move tank block. I have another move steering block, another move tank block. These all count as blocks of code. And I also have a display block. Okay? So using audio, I just click that in, and then I click right here, and I could choose from project sounds or my Lego sound files, my different things that I could do for it. Alright, so we are making sure that our story's done, making sure that our image that we created is finished for our brainstorm, and we're coding. This week we should be in the fine tweaking of this. After we do that, we should be in the process of finishing up our fine tweaking. It does not need to be all over the map. It just simply needs to show that you understand how to use this to put a plan in place and use 4 blocks or more of code to do that. Once you complete all aspects of it, remember you need to make your final success test by taking a screenshot of the code of it, and you need to go and you need to post a picture of it or a video of it into your Google Drive and link it into your Google Doc. So then you'll work on your reflections and finish up your doc. So that's what you're going to be working on today. Lots of stuff to do. Please use the time wisely. Your grade for STEM depends on your use of your time. So thank you very much. Have a good day and get to work.